dear students. Hope you are well and hearty. Welcome to NIEPS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin, Shikha, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Morning Team. Today I am going to take home science class for the students of class 8 on the topic of our first assignment, part 2. I am repeating, today our topic is discussion of assignment 1, part 2. Students, in our earlier class, we have discussed about our assignment, and we have get 4 questions for your first assignment of home science. And in part 1, we have discussed about question 1 and 3. And today we are going to, we have discussed about question 1 and 4. And today we are going to discuss about question 2 and 3. So let's begin our discussion. Look, our question is, that is our second question is, make a first aid box for your family. I'm repeating the question, make a first aid box for your family. So for this assignment criteria is providing idea of the content, inclusion of all elements. Students, for this question you have to write about first aid box. You have to make, that means you have to write the process of making first aid box. So for this you have to draw a picture of first aid box and its elements, and after that you have to write the basic elements of first aid box, and then you have to give explanation how you make the box and how you arrange all this, that means the process. So you can write like this. First you can draw a picture. You can draw the first aid box, then you can draw the elements. You can draw the elements. We can draw. I can draw well, but I'm just showing you. This is Dettol. You can say Dettol. So like this, you have to draw a picture and you have to give the elements in picture. Then you will write elements of first aid box. So here you will write the elements name, number 1, 2, 3, like this. You will write the name of elements in this point. Next, you will write the process, how you make the first aid box for your family. Students, here you can write about the box, how you make the box. For every student, you have to explain differently. One can say that I have taken a box, tissue box, empty tissue box, and I use the box as the first aid box, and inside the box I keep all the elements, necessary elements for first aid box. And another girl can explain that I have taken a box, unused box for first aid, making it first aid box. Or another girl can say I cut some hard paper and then I attached them with glue or super glue, and I kept all the elements inside the box. Like this, you can write the process. So here you have to write the process, how you make the box. It must be your handmade box, not anything that you buy or bought from the market. So you have to give an explanation how you made the box, and inside the box you have kept all the elements. So if you go through the chapter, you will get all the elements. From the book you have to write about all the elements. So please open your book, page number 14. Page number 14, first aid kits. So you have to draw a picture like this. Students, if you have to draw a picture like this at first, and then you have to write the names of the elements. Here you can get the elements: cotton, bandage, knives, scissors, Dettol, potassium permanganate, carbolic acid, spirit, and painkiller. Like this, you have to mention the name of the elements, and you have to draw, and then you have to write the process. This is for question 2. And now we are going to discuss about question number 3. Explain the need to keep the patient's room neat and clean. So for this, the criteria is mention at least 5 neat and providing explanation. So with explanation, you have to mention at least 5 neat. So why we have to keep the patient's room neat and clean. So students, we have to arrange an environment, a healthy environment and comfortable environment for a patient, for a sick person. So why we have to keep the room, the space neat and clean for a sick person? We all know about that. So you have to think and you have to show your creativity while writing the answer. So you have to mention at least 5 points and you have to give explanation. I'm just giving the clue and you have to write elaborately for explanation. I hope you can understand. While in our family members sometimes get sick and we have to take care of them. So while taking care of them, we arrange our room for them. So from your real life, you can write for this question. So I hope you can understand how you have to answer about question 2 and 3. So that's for today. I hope you will write your answers in time and you will be able to submit your assignment in due time. Your submission date is 22nd November. Only one day you will get for your submission. So please do your assignment and submit it in due time. That's for today. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.